Dear students, we will see today some special type of example where the variable is there in the denominator and we have to find the value of that variable. I will take here two examples from these examples are there from I think from exercise 3.6. So check that exercise. Wherever you will get this type of example, then how to solve this, that we will see today. So here first example I have taken is 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2, and second equation is there like 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. So here these two equations are there. This is the first example, this is the second example that I will solve afterwards. Now in this here, whatever this x and y are there, here also x and y are there, that will be there in the denominator, but we want the variable to be in the numerator only while for solving the pair of linear equations. So what we have to do, whenever you will get the variable in the denominator, remember this thing, here x and y are there in the denominator, here also x minus 1 y minus 2 are there in the denominator. So whenever you will get this type of example, you have to follow this method. So what is the method? Whatever the variable is there in the denominator, we have to substitute that with some another variable. So here I will convert this equation like this. So I will solve in this way, like first equation I will solve. First means first question, solution of first question, that is whatever the given thing is there, whatever the value is there in the denominator, I will substitute with some another variable. So for example this we can convert it as, इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, like मैं तो यहाँ पे अभी रूट एक्स की जगह पे वैल्यू पुट कर रहा हूँ, बट नॉट जस्ट रूट एक्स बट 1 अपॉन रूट एक्स. सो इट मीन्स इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, जस्ट लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल वन नंबर इज देयर लाइक 2 अपॉन 3. व्हाट इज द नंबर? 2 अपॉन 3. सो 2 अपॉन 3, हाउ 2 अपॉन 3 को मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? आई कैन राइट दिस 2 अपॉन 3 लाइक 2 इंटू 1 अपॉन 3. 2 upon 3 I have written here 2, I have taken outside and I have written here 1 upon 3. Why? Because 3 already is there in the denominator, so I have written here 1 upon 3 like this. So here also I will convert this as, first equation I will write here as 2 into 1 upon root x plus 3 into 1 upon root y is equal to 2. Here dot means multiplication, remember. Now second also equation I can write here as like 4 into 1 upon root x minus 9 upon 9 into 1 upon root y, and that is equal to here minus 1. So here now once we have written this equation in this way, like 2 I have taken outside and I have written 1 upon root x plus 3 into 1 upon root y. Similarly for second equation I have written 4 into 1 upon x minus 9 into 1 upon y is equal to minus 1. So now in these two equations what I will do, I will replace this 1 upon root x and 1 upon root y with some other variable. So I will write here like put 1 upon root x is equal to p and 1 upon root y is equal to q. You can choose some other variable also like a, b, mn and so on like this. So I have written here 1 upon root x equal to p and 1 upon root y equal to q. This we are substituting for, this is not the substitution method, this is not the substitution method, but if the example is there in this way, then to solve this example we have to replace whatever the variable is there in the denominator that with the other variable. That's why I have taken here 1 upon root x equal to p and 1 upon root y is equal to q. So once we have replaced this, now I will rewrite these two equations as, so therefore see here I will give here name also to this equation as this equation first and this is equation number second. So I will write therefore equation first and second becomes, equation first and second becomes. So how this equation get converted? So I will write first equation as 2 into this 1 upon root x we can replace with p, so that we will write 2 into p plus 3 into this 1 upon root y we can replace with the q, and that is equal to what? 2. So this will get equation number 3. So this will get one new equation, that is 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. Similarly, what we get instead of this equation, what we get? Equation second can be converted as 4 into p. This 4 1 upon root x, it means p. 1 upon root x equal to p. यहाँ पे जो रिप्लेस किया वही हमें यहाँ पे भी लेना है। वाई? क्योंकि ये भी 1 अपॉन रूट एक्स है, ये भी 1 अपॉन रूट एक्स है, ये 1 अपॉन रूट वाई है, ये भी 1 अपॉन रूट वाई है. सो वेर एवर यू विल गेट द सेम variables, you have to replace it with same variable, like 4p plus, here sorry not plus but here minus is there, 4p 4 into p minus this minus sign 9 into q, and that is equal to what is this? -1. So this is equation number 4. Now this you get the two equations, that is 2p plus 3q equal to 2 and 4p minus 9q is equal to -1. Now here this equation you can solve by any one of the method. आप ये इक्वेशन, इन दोनों इक्वेशन को कोई भी एक मेथड का यूज करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. So I will use here elimination method. Why? Because it is easy to convert this 2 into 4. मैं 2 को 4 बना सकता हूँ या फिर इस 3 को 9 बना सकता हूँ. 2 को 4 बना सकता हूँ या 3 को 9 में बना सकता हूँ. So here what I will do, I will convert this p. मैं p को कन्वर्ट करता हूँ. So I will write, so for converting this 2 to 4 what we have to do, हमें इस इक्वेशन 3 को, इक्वेशन नंबर 3 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So I will write here multiply equation 3 by 2. इक्वेशन 3 को मैं 2 से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. So what we get here, 2 into in bracket what is equation number 3rd, 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. So अगर मैं इक्वेशन 3 को अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूँ, so what we get one another equation, and what is that equation? 2 to the 4p plus 3 to the 6q is equal to 2 to the 4, and this will get equation number 5. So हमने ये इक्वेशन नंबर 5 बनाया. कौन सी इक्वेशन का यूज करके? इक्वेशन नंबर 3rd को यूज करके ये इक्वेशन बनाया. So now we can see here equation number 4 and 5 we have to compare, we have to add or subtract this for removing this, क्योंकि ये elimination method है. तो elimination method के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा मुझे 4p मैंने यहाँ पे रिप्लेस करने जा रहा हूँ मैं. So for this purpose I have multiplied this equation number 3 by 2, so that we will get here 2p we have converted into the 4p. मैंने 2 को 4 बनाया है. अब ये दोनों इक्वेशन मीन्स 2 ये जो है इक्वेशन नंबर 3rd, दिस इक्वेशन 3rd इज रिप्लेस बाय इक्वेशन नंबर 5. मैंने 3 को 5 से रिप्लेस किया है. अब मैं 4 और 5 को सॉल्व करूंगा. सो आई विल राइट हियर एज हियर आल्सो 4p साइन ऑफ 4p प्लस इज देयर एंड हियर आल्सो साइन ऑफ 4p प्लस इज देयर. सो आई विल राइट हियर सबट्रैक्ट. आप कोई भी इक्वेशन को कोई भी इक्वेशन से माइनस कर सकते हैं, बट मैं यहाँ पे चेक करूंगा the number. Here 9 is there and here 6 is there. So I will write subtract equation 5 from 4. आप रिवर्स भी कर सकते हैं. आप इक्वेशन 4 को भी 5 में से माइनस कर सकते हैं. You will get the same answer. So once we subtract what we get, I will write equation subtract 5 from 4. तो from के जो बाद में रहता है वो पहले आता है. So I will write equation number 4 first. So that is a 4p minus 9q is equal to -1, and what is equation number 5? That is a 4p plus 6q is equal to 4. So here we have to subtract. क्यों subtract करना है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी 4q की साइन प्लस है और यहाँ पे भी साइन प्लस है. So once we subtract, what we have to do? We have to change the sign. So this will be minus. This will also get minus, and this will also get minus. This 4p and minus 4p get cancel. Minus 9q. Minus 6q. What we get here? Minus 9q and minus 6q will get minus 15q is equal to -1 and -4. -1 and -4. What we get? -5. So what we get here? Q is equal to -5 upon -15. Minus sign get cancel. So that gives Q is equal to 1 upon 3. Why 1 upon 3? 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. So we'll get here value of q. Q की वैल्यू मुझे मिल गई 1 upon 3. So once we get the value of q, this we can put the value in equation आइदर 3 और 4. वाई? बिकॉज इनमें ही Q की वैल्यू है, P और Q. तो मैं यहाँ पे मैं इक्वेशन 3 में भी रख सकता हूँ, 4 में भी रख सकता हूँ या 5 में भी रख सकता हूँ. मुझे 3 में रखनी. सो आई विल पुट दैट वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन नंबर 3. यू कैन ऑल्सो रिप्लेस इन 4 और 5. So it depends on you. So I will put this value of Q equal to 3, 1 by 3 in equation number 3. So I will write here, put Q is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 3. So I will write again equation number 3. What is equation number 3? 2P plus 3Q is equal to 2. That is 2P plus 3Q is equal to 2. So now here this Q I have to replace with 1 by 3. So I will write here 2P plus 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. So this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. What we get here? 2P plus this 3 and this 3. We will get here 1 is equal to 2. So that gives 2P is equal to this 2 as it is. This 1 we will take this side. So we will get minus 1. So that gives 2P is equal to 2 minus 1. 1. So what is the value of P? P equal to 1 by 2. P equal to 1 by 2. So here we will get the value of, I will write now, therefore P is equal to 1 by 2 and Q is equal to 1 by 3. But we have to find the value of X and Y. Here we have to find the value of X and Y, but we get the value of P and Q. But now we will again replace it with the original value, whatever we have replaced. So I will write here, but P is equal to 1 upon root X and Q is equal to 1 upon root Y. बट मैंने यहाँ पे तो P की वैल्यू क्या रखी है 1 upon root X and Q की वैल्यू क्या रखी है 1 upon root Y. So I will compare this. Here also value of P is there. Here this is the value of P and here also the value of Q. Value of P. Here also the value of Q and here also the value of Q. So I will replace this P with this value. So that is I will write 1 upon root X is equal to 1 upon 2 and 1 upon root Y और value of Q equal to 1 upon 3. So मैं लिखूंगा 1 upon root Y is equal to 1 upon 3. So what is the meaning of this? 1 and 1 these are equal और I will do here cross multiplication. मैं यहाँ पे cross multiplication करो 2 1s are 2 root X into 1 root X. So that gives 2 is equal to root X and if you do here cross multiplication you will get here 3 is equal to root Y and therefore if root X equal to 2 then what will do on squaring. अगर दोनों का स्क्वायर करते दोनों साइड का तो what we get root X का स्क्वायर क्या आएगा तो X आएगा और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 2 का स्क्वायर 4. So here also if we do the square, if we take remove this square roots, what will get Y is equal to 3. If square root X equal to 2, so what is X? 4. And if we root Y is equal to 3, then what is Y? Y equal to 3. So here is the solution and therefore X equal to 4 and Y equal to 3 is the sorry. Root X equal to 2, so X equal to 4. So here also root Y equal to 3. So what is Y? So Y equal to what? Square of 3. What is square of 3? Here 9. Square of Y 3 is a 9. So in this way you have to take the square on both sides. So what we have, so our concept is what? This remaining thing you can solve easily. Once you get these two equations 3 and 4, you can solve remaining easily by any one of the method. Just remember here that once you get the example like the variable is there in the denominator, then replace that with some other variable. Just like here I have taken 1 upon root X equal to P and 1 upon root Y equal to Q. So I have replaced these two equations. So this is a means I have written in expanded form, but no need to write directly. You can write also here 2 into P plus 3 into Q is equal to 2. 4 into Y because 1 upon X 1 upon root X you are replacing. So 4P minus 9Q is equal to minus 1. Once you solve more example, you will get an idea about this. So once you get these two equations, then how to solve this you know very well. We have already solved using different methods. So I have used here elimination method. I have solved this example using elimination method. Here I get the value of P equal to 1 by 2 and Q equal to 1 by 3. But I have replaced the value of P and Q with 1 upon root X and 1 upon root y. So here we will get 1 upon root x equal to 1 upon 2 and 1 upon root y equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore we can say root x equal to 2 and root y equal to 3. Therefore on squaring, root x equal to 2, therefore x equal to 4 and root y is equal to 3, therefore y is equal to 9. Therefore we can say x equal to 4 and y equal to 9 is the given solution. Is the solution of given equation. Try to solve more example. I will solve some other example and I will also post that another example on the group.